Hi, I'm James Sexton of the Sexton Law Firm, where we're dedicated to protecting your legal rights. I've produced this short video with some common questions and answers to those questions. A common question on workers' compensation claims is, what should you do if you're injured at work? Well, the first thing you need to do is report the injury. Sometimes people don't want to do that. They don't want to report every little nick and scratch and cut and strain and sprain, but it's crucial. Here's why it's crucial. Without that documentation, the workers' comp insurance can deny your case. So you always want to report a work injury. Another question in workers' compensation is, can I choose any doctor to see once I've been injured at work? Well, the answer to that is no. Believe it or not, here in California, the insurance companies have what's called a Medical Provider Network, or MPN. What that means is there are pre-approved doctors and facilities that you must go to receive treatment for workers' compensation cases and injuries. You cannot see your own private family doctor. In fact, they probably would not take you under private health insurance because it would be under a workers' comp case and you'd have to go through the workers' comp system. On these lists, these MPN lists, there are various doctors in many specialties. There's chiropractors, acupuncturists, orthopedists, neurologists, a whole slew of people. What you need to do is select someone who's favorable towards you. Of course, the insurance company will want to select someone for you who's more favorable to them, what's called a company doctor. You want to avoid that at all costs because these company doctors will minimize your case. They'll minimize the treatment you'll get and eventually minimize the amount of money that you get for your injury. That's why it's so important to select an attorney who knows who the players are in the geographic area. Who are the good doctors? Who are the middle of the road doctors? Who are the worst doctors that you should avoid? Another common question in workers' compensation is, why should I have an attorney? Well, workers' compensation law in California is extremely difficult. It's extremely hard to learn. They talk about it's a whole different language. They talk about PNS, MPN, MMI, QMEs, AMEs, TTD, PD, all these different terms. Even a lot of the filings have to be done electronically. So it's very difficult for an injured worker to try and do this on their own. You probably need an attorney to help you who knows what they're doing, at least if nothing else to make sure things are documented properly, that you're getting through the right doctors, that you're getting the right treatment you need, and that you're not shortchanged or lowballed when it comes time to settle your case. I've been an attorney 22 years. The first 10 years of my attorney life, I worked for the insurance companies. It used to be my job. Every dollar I would save the insurance company would mean a dollar less for someone like you. Now, the last 12 years of my attorney life, I've had my own business where I'm dedicated to getting injured workers what they deserve from their work injuries, to maximize their recovery treatment-wise and to also maximize monetarily what they recover. And that's what I'm dedicated to. I'm James Sexton with the Sexton Law Firm, and we're dedicated to protecting your legal rights.